Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are 3 ways to clear your cloudy swimming pool. Use a pool clarifier. It's always a good idea to use some sort of pool water clarifier weekly. Use pool flocculant. Use your filter system and bottom drains. Use pool service on demand.
Let's help you make your mark.
The granulated salt used in a saltwater pool can be as simple as regular table salt, but not the iodized version. A pool that has no salts present in the water needs about 50 pounds of salt added per 2,000 gallons of pool water.
Let's help you make your mark.
Should you add shock to a saltwater pool? It's absolutely okay to shock your saltwater pool, and is actually pretty important. Running your pool's superchlorinate feature too often is hard on the motor and will cause it to wear out faster.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda can increase the pH level, which can turn the water cloudy. There are some people who will suggest you use the baking soda for a quick fix in case the alkalinity is high. But baking soda is not a reliable pool water cleaning chemical.
Let's help you make your mark.
Salt pools are, in fact, sanitized using chlorine. A salt chlorine generator separates the chlorine and sodium molecules in salt and reintroduces them into the pool water. All pools, no matter what the sanitizer, need to be shocked regularly, preferably once per week during warm weather.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can dilute the baking soda in a bucket of water or just broadcast it over the entire surface of your swimming pool. It should take about 24 hours before your swimming pool completely clears. Be patient here and make sure your swimming pool is circulating the whole time you are trying to clear up your swimming pool.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.